Morning guys, let's talk about how we can monetize our YouTube channel here in Micronesia, FSM, Marshall Islands, Palau, anywhere in Micronesia. After you familiarize yourself with the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirement, YouTube will require you to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, you will need to accumulate 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. Within the YouTube Partner Program, you must live within a region or a country where YouTube Partner Program is available. As for me, I live here on the beautiful island of the Sleeping Lady, or better known as Skoshrai. Now, once you meet all the requirements from YouTube Partner Program, you will be invited by YouTube to complete the YouTube Partner Program agreement. You will then navigate to your YouTube studio. Then you're gonna go to Monetization, it's to the left. Then you will click on the blue Apply Now button. At some point in time, you're gonna have to set up a Google AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. Setting up your Google AdSense account is a must-do in order for you to receive your earnings from YouTube. Here, you can already see that this particular channel is generating anywhere from $100 to $400. A separate video showing you how to set up your Google AdSense account and link it to your YouTube will be posted following this one. Once you got your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your YouTube channel is ready to monetize.